Good morning, friends. At the last lecture, we seen a third application of Gauss theorem in the chapter of electrostatics. The next point is electrical potential and potential energy. Electrical potential and potential energy. We know that we study earlier that the potential energy of a system is the stored energy. This potential energy, it is the stored energy that depends upon the relative position of its constituents, and this stored energy is depend upon relative constituents. Then the definition of electrical potential and the potential energy. Here, electrostatics potential energy is the work done. Electrostatics potential energy is the work done against the electrostatics force. It is the potential energy is the work done against the electrostatic force to achieve a certain configuration of charges in a given system. In a given system, suppose this is the system in which the two charges Q1 and Q2. This is the also positive or also negative charges. Then in which this work done against the electrostatics force. So we know that electrostatics force means the Coulomb force, in which force of attraction or force of repulsion. When the like charges, that is plus Q plus Q2, it is the two like charges in which force of repulsion takes place. Suppose the both charges, one is the positive, another one is the negative, then between these two charges force of attraction is takes place. This is the electrostatics force, and this electrostatics force to achieve a certain configuration of charges. These charges having certain configuration like a repulsion and the attraction in a given system. This is the electrostatics potential energy. You can see again the definition of electrostatics potential. Electrostatics potential energy is the work done against the electrostatics force. We know that work done it is the force into displacement. Force into displacement. Electrostatics force to achieve a certain configuration of charges in a given system. Here, since every system tries to attain the lowest potential energy, work is always required to be done to change the configuration. We know that like charges repel and unlike charges attract to each other. A charges exerts a force on any other charge in vicinity. Suppose this is the two charges and this is the another one charges, and these charges is exert a force when it is enter in the system. Which force? Coulomb force. It is also having attraction or repulsion. It is depends upon the charge. Then some work is always done to move a charge in the some presence of another charge. At that time there is some work is done due to the moving a charge in the presence of another charges. Thus potential energy arises from any collection of charges. Thus the potential energy arises from the any collection of the charges. Consider a positive charge Q. Consider a positive charge Q fixed at the some point in the space. For bringing any other positive charges to close to it, work is necessary, and this work is equal to the change in the potential energy of their system. Here we consider a potential energy of a system by du. Du is the potential energy of a system, and dw is the work done. We know that work done is the force into displacement. Force into displacement. F bar is denoted by force. It is electrostatics force. Dr is the displacement of the charges, both charges. This is the work done against the electrostatics force. And then by the definition, therefore we can write work done against electrostatic force is equal to increase in potential energy of a system. This is work done against the electrostatic force, denoted by dw, is also equal to increase in potential energy of a system, and therefore potential energy is denoted by the du. Therefore we can write dw is equal to du, and we know that the value of dw is also f bar f vector dot dr vector. Therefore you can write f vector dot dr vector is equal to du, where du is the increase in potential energy, where du is the increase in potential energy when the charge is displaced through the dr. When the charge is displaced through dr vector, and f vector is the force exerted on the charge. F vector is the force exerted on the charge. This is the electrical potential and the potential energy. It is very simple. Electrostatics potential energy is the work done against the electrostatics force. Work done against the electrostatics force to achieve a certain configuration of charges in a given system. Du is the potential energy of the system. dw, this is the work done against the electrostatic force. Work done is also equal to the f vector dot dr vector, and these both are the equal by the definition of electrical potential. Thank you.